What's happening, YouTubers? Big Tuna out here at Headwaters Junction Maintenance Facility doing a little bit more work, trying to keep on this as much as I possibly can. But for my last video, you see I've got my last piece in here on this side. It's just tacked in for right now. And no, this piece right here was not an oops. I'm trying to utilize all the gauge material that I can without, making it look like scabbed in or anything like that. This stuff isn't free, so I'm trying to do the best I can. But what I had done here was take a piece of 10 gauge, 3 inches wide, ripped out a strip, and put it under the underside and welded it in. And it gave me like a backing bar so I could lay this little strip here down and finish it off that way. But yeah, it turned out pretty good. I mean, you'll never know it that it's there once everything is covered up. But anyway, as you can tell from last time, I got my 1x2 tube in there, ground off all the spot welds they had in there, plug welds they had in for the old original floor. But I don't know if I got a chance to last time, but I cleaned that area up there, got this piece of metal removed and everything, and did some angle cuts in there to relieve it so I could form it around. Yeah, I could have took it somewhere and had them roll it, but that's just more time and money when I can easily do it here. And the way that piece of gauge floor sets up on there, I weld across that area. I mean, it's going to be right as rain on that part. But this is going to be another little quick video here. I just wanted to show my progression that I've had. But here's the other side that I've done. I've already showed you guys, but that side is the first side, and then the second side, just mirroring it. I used a template to cut everything out. So, but anyway, when I was cleaning up that very edge here to lay my gauge down on this edge here, I came down into this point right here. As you can tell, I removed quite a bit of it along that area. It was rusted up real bad. It looked like that angle that they had in there was 2 inches thick, and it was just nothing but rust after, layer of rust. So I thought, well, I can't weld to it. Might as well remove it and then come back to it at a later date and figure out what I'm going to do here. I think I'm going to take a piece of 3/8 bar, whatever width that is. It looks like it'd be about 3 inches, and put in here and stiffen that wall back up, because that's the wall support that, and I don't want it to start sagging in the future when this is setting out in the elements again over there at Headwaters Junction. But again, I've said it before in my other videos. If you would start with part 1, that's how I'm going to list them: part 1, part 2, part 3, and so on and so forth. I have not touched this area over here yet. That is still looking like it was when I first came over, and see if I was up for the challenge. I was taking it one step at a time. I figured I'd go through and get this side completely done and everything, and then move over to the other side and continue on with that. Then when I'm done, I've got my angle here and everything that I'm going to use for the Z braces, so the floor can be elevated up to the original height that's already existing, and they can go through and do what they have to as far as laying down plywood or crete board or whatever they're going to do, and then lay the hardwood laminate over on top of that. This is about a 3-year project. I don't have 3 years to do it. I'm trying to do it as fast as I can, pending weather. We've been pretty fortunate this year. The weather's been okay, not a lot of snow, but as long as it's in the 30-degree temperature, I try to come out here and bundle up a little bit and do what I got to do and get out. But come on springtime, so I can open these doors up. There's no heat in this facility. I've got a little propane salamander that I fire up from time to time to just take a little bit of chill off in here, warm up, but that's it. But it's not horrible out here by no means. I wouldn't want to be in shorts, but hey. So again, a quick little video. Headwaters Junction is what it's going to call just north of Headwaters Park, downtown Fort Wayne, Indiana. And also this will be in conjunction with the 765 nickel plate steam engine. They're going to house it out there with a turntable and everything. I've showed you in the other videos and stuff as far as what it's going to kind of look like and everything. And if you want to further on anything else, just type in 765 nickel plate or Headwaters Junction. There's several other videos out there that they show videos of proposals of what it's going to look like and everything. It's going to be a pretty impressive when everything is said and done. So until then, I'm out. Everybody have a peaceful, wonderful, and safe day, and I'll catch you on the flip side. Peace.